Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will walk you through how to use Close CRM in 2025, and it will be a complete step-by-step breakdown video. So Close CRM is one of the best tools for sales focused teams who want to track leads, then manage pipeline and close more deals, and all without the culture or outdated CRMs. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up your sales pipeline, then add and manage leads and automate flow ups, and even also you are allowed to track emails, calls and tasks all inside one system. So I hope you understand how powerful this tool really is. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, you just need to be understand what is close CRM actually is. So close CRM is a sales focused customer relationship management platform designed to help teams sales faster and smarter. And the key feature, like here you can see their product list, and if I talk about the key feature included in this platform is built-in calling and emailing system, the lead and pipeline management tool, then also flow up automation system. Also it has or come with smart views and filters, and it will help you to real-life team collaboration. So this tool is perfect for sales teams, startups and anyone doing high volume outreach. So let's go further and talk about the dashboard overview. First of all, you just need to be create an account over here. So here you can see you just need to be click over here, and here you can see that also that we have 14 free trial, no credit card required and free support and migration. If you see the pricing over here, as you can see that it started from $13 per month. If you see the monthly billing, this is the thing, and annual billing will be this, and you can start from the slow one, it is $9 per month, and you can start from the free one first, then go to the premium plan. Is totally depend on to you. So I will click on try for free. Once I click over here, then they will ask for first name, last name and email, but I will go with this one. This is the simplest one, that's why I always choose this one. So I will click on this one, then I will select my mail address, and then I will just click onto the continue. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and now eventually you can see connect your inbox. So let's connect to our inbox again. Let's select this one and click to the continue, select all and just click continue, and it will take a while, and you can see that already has been connected. Just click to the continue, and they are asking for our number, so let's paste it. So why did you hear us? Blog post, and select role, search leadership, just exploring email, and just click to the continue. They are asking for the name, so let's add our name, website, industry, and then click to the continue. So you just need to be fulfill all these things. Do you currently use a ACRM? No. Why do you store and track your leads? My email inbox, and then click continue, and here you can see we found some potential leads. Select all and add them and finish setup. So once you log in, so again click onto the finish. So once you log in into the close.com and create your account, you will land it on the main dashboard. So here you can see this is the main dashboard. Here you will see inbox. Here you can see this is the inbox where your task, emails and calls will be appeared. Then had the leads, your CRM database, you will get all the mail here. Then opportunities, your sales pipeline, here you can see this is the opportunities. Then we have reports, it's for tracking performance, and then we have the settings section, so where you manage integration and user. So let's start with the adding leads. So add and manage leads is really essential for a business. So you just need to go to the leads. Once you click over here, then here you will get the options to add a new list. So here you can see that, let's go here, you can see add filter, you can add filter. So if you want to add list, just click over here, this one, and here you can see you are allowed to add lead, and then enter the leads name, company, and contact info. So the company name will be Mahim, contact name will be Rahman, and then click to the create lead, and here you can see our lead has been created. Now you can also import leads by CSV file or connect your email for auto capture. Each lead can have multiple contacts and activities associated with them. Then we are going to talk about calling and emailing inside Close. So with Close, you don't need extra tools. You can call an email from the CRM. That is a great thing. So you just need to click a lead. Let's go to here. We have inbox here, you can see it. So just click to the leads, and here we are going to call a random one. So here you can see we already have these options, then we have these options. So you can, like, you will use email and call buttons. You can also use templates, track opens, and schedule follow-ups. Calls are logged and recorded if enabled, and also emails are automatically tracked under each lead. So you just need to be use sequence to automate follow-up emails and delays. I hope you understand. Then we are going to talk about create and track opportunities. So I already mentioned that opportunity is like let me tell you that what is the meaning of opportunity. It is a sales pipeline for you. So I hope you understand. So under any lead, you just need to be click opportunities. So let's go. So let's click this one, and here you will get these options called opportunity. You just need to be add your opportunity. So assign a pipeline status, like it could be value and expected close date. You can track deals in the opportunity tab. So let's try to add an opportunity. Just click to the add opportunity, and here you just need to select your mail, add your estimate date, here confidence, and then click to the save, and you can see that our opportunity has been added. It is a drag and drop move deals across stages like new, contacted, demo, then proposal, and many more. This keeps your pipeline clean and visible at a glance. So next we are going to talk about set task and follow-up. So how you can do it in the lead view, click plus task. Here you can see, just click over here, and here you will get the options for the task. Let's try to find it out. This is the plus to add copy link. Let's click to the move. Okay, in here you will get the options for the task to set reminders. Then you can add reminders like call, email, meeting, custom follow-ups. Tasks appear in your inbox. Let's go and select one of them, and let's try to find out the task options here. So let's go to the task panel. So here you will get the option for the task. So tasks appear in your inbox with due dates like filters like today, overdue, and upcoming. Smart reminders help you never miss a deal again. Now we are going to talk about automate with sequence. Like Close lets you automate outreach using email sequence. You just need to create a new sequence in setting. Then you just need to add multiple steps like emails, delays, or manual tasks that enroll leads with one click. Each contract receives a personalized email threads. It is a great for cold outreach or onboarding sequence. Then we are going to talk about report and analytics. So go to the reporting to the view, just click to the reports, and you will have to view like call, email, activity, pipeline velocity, the team performance, conversion rate. You can filter reports by repeat, team, date, range, and even a specific sequence. So it will help you to track what works and doubt them on the top performance. I hope you understand. So if you watch the video till then, I will give you a bonus and integration setting here. So if you want to like close integration with Zoom, Slack, Zapier, and many more, under the setting, just click over here in this setting. You will get the option for integration. Just click over here, and now you are allowed to add whatever you want to integrate with your platform. You are able to do it. So if you loved this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you found out this video was really helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button also. Thanks for watching the video till the end.